This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports Esim and that you have Aadhaar and the Geo number ready. Once done, open the My Geo app and sign in with your Geo number. You will receive an OTP to verify ownership. Make sure your battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi is stable to avoid interruptions. Then navigate to the Account or SIM section and select the option to request an eSIM replacement. This triggers the GeoSide process that prepares your eSIM QR or activation details. You now complete the middle steps. Select the eSIM replacement flow and upload or confirm your Aadhaar/ID if prompted. This is why you needed documents ready. Once Geo approves, you'll get either an eSIM QR code in the app or an activation code via SMS/email. Move quickly. Open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, choose Add eSIM, and scan the QR or enter the code manually. While installing, select how you want lines labeled and set default for calls or data. You finish by confirming activation. Wait for Geo's confirmation message and then restart the phone to register on the network. Make sure you set the eSIM as primary for data or calls if needed, then test voice, SMS, and internet. If the eSIM does not activate, first retry scanning the QR on a stable Wi-Fi connection and reboot. If that fails, use the My Geo chat or customer care and be ready with your Aadhaar and the original SIM number. Visiting a Geo store can resolve persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.